Open File Explorer, navigate to the following folder, c2points/Windows/software distribution/download. Select all files by pressing Ctrl+A. Now, delete them permanently using Shift+Delete and confirm the action. If a permission window appears, check Do This for all current items, then click Continue. Next, go to c2points/Windows/temp. You will be asked to grant administrator access. Click Continue. Once inside, press Ctrl+A to select all files, then press Shift+Delete to remove them permanently. Now, go to c2points/users. Open the folder with your username. In the address bar, type /appdata and press Enter. Double-click on the local folder, then on temp. Again, press Ctrl+A, then Shift+Delete to permanently delete all files. If a window appears saying File in use, check Do This for all current items, then click Skip. Next, open this PC. Right-click on the C drive, then select Properties. Click on the Disk Cleanup button. In the list of items to delete, check all boxes, then click OK. Disk Cleanup will close automatically when finished. Open it again, and this time, click on Cleanup System Files. First, go to the More Options tab. Under System Restore and Shadow Copies, click on Cleanup, then Confirm by clicking Delete. Once it's done, return to the Disk Cleanup tab. Again, check all boxes under Files to delete. Warning, this will also remove any previous Windows installations. Click OK to confirm. That's it.